Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this juicy and delicious Turkish chicken kebab. It's very easy to make, very delicious and simple basic ingredients. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Here to start off, here I have 1.5 pound chicken breast. I'm using chicken breast, but you definitely can use chicken thighs. I cut them into small cubes so that it's easy to process. But if you want to skip this step and use the minced chicken, that works perfectly fine. Here, as you can see, I have minced the chicken, but I have not made them smooth paste yet because I'm gonna brown them with a couple more ingredients. 1 medium onion, 1/4 cup of red capsicum, just squeeze off any excess water, and 4 tablespoons mint leaves. Here I have green chilies as needed, and we also have 4 tablespoons cilantro. Now go ahead and add all these ingredients to the chicken that we have just minced. If you're using a minced chicken already, then we will not process the minced chicken. We will directly go ahead and add all these ingredients, and then we will combine them, process them a couple more minutes. Here I have 2 tablespoons red pepper paste. Basically what I have done, I've roasted the pepper in the oven and removed the seeds and the skin. I've made a smooth paste out of it. And I'm going to add the 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt as needed. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. It just gives nice flavor. Now go ahead and process until it's nice and smooth. As you can see, it looks nice and red, beautifully processed. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon oil in and go ahead and mix them well. Now go ahead and combine well together and rest it for at least an hour. Now refrigerate so that it holds the shape well. Now I'm also soaking the skewers over an hour. Now I'm going to go ahead and wet my palm with a little bit water. Take a big size ball and take a skewer and go ahead and shape it into the skewer. Now I'm also preheating my grill pan, and I'm going to just brush a little bit oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the prepared kebabs into the pan and cook until it's nicely browned from all sides. Now go ahead and cook them on a medium-high heat so that the chicken is cooked through. If you cook them on a high heat, it will not cook through and it will be burned. Once it's browned all the sides and it's cooked through, it's time that you can remove and serve this juicy, delicious chicken with choice of bread like Turkish bread, naan, or just a simple chutney and some vegetables. That would work great. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.